Dagos po kamo. Welcome to Hiraya Manawari Nature Park in San Vicente, Tabaco City. The Hiraya Manawari Nature Park is part of the 20-hectare property owned by the city government of Tabaco, initially devoted as material recovery facility or the city dump site, where biodegradables are converted into soil enhancers or fertilizers, and residual wastes like candy and chichirya wrappers, non-biodegradable plastic bags, broken glass, and the like are crushed or shredded and converted into eco-bricks, pavers, and hollow blocks. But the humble city dump site can be more than just a place where garbage is sorted or where unused, discarded, unwanted waste finds a resting place. It can be a place that can transform trash into treasure, the unwanted into loved, the ugly into beautiful, the worthless to items of renewed purpose. This is the vision and the promise of Hiraya Manawari, a place where you can reach your dreams. This is Tabaco City's Field of Dreams. Hiraya Manawari comes from two ancient Filipino words, Hiraya, which means sana, and Manawari, which means mangyari. Hiraya Manawari, sana mangyari. May the dreams and aspirations of your heart come true. The vision for the park started with a need to come together and to do something worthwhile. They say necessity is the mother of invention or innovation. The long months of the COVID-19 pandemic have deprived the LGU employees of our chance to perform and entertain the public during the annual Tabak Festival's LGU Family Constellation of Stars. And we found our perfect stage at Hiraya Manawari. But this is not an ordinary park. This park was created by Tabaco City's employees using discarded materials from our offices, scrap materials and waste from city infrastructure projects, and even used items from family and friends. Here we found not only our stage for a one-night major performance, just like our annual Constellation of Stars competition, but a living and growing work of art and love that will be here for a long time.
Ano nga ba ang upcycling? At ano ang pinagkaiba nito sa recycling? Sa recycling, upang makalikha ng isang panibagong obra, kailangang sirain o pagpira-pirasuhin ang mga lumang kagamitan. Pero sa upcycling, binibigyan ng panibagong forma ang isang bagay nang hindi nasisirang natural nitong estado. Halimbawa, ang mga patapong sapatos at lumang plastic bottles ay ginagawang paso para sa mga halaman. Ang konseptong ito ang naging inspirasyon upang ang bahagi ng 25 ektaryang Material Recovery Facility sa Barangay San Vicente ay magbagong anyo. Tampok sa parking ito ang 4 na playground, 4 na picnic sites, 4 na campsites at 4 na resto bar. Nahati sa 16 na grupo ang mga opisina ng LGU Tabaco kasama ang BFP at PNP upang makilahok sa upcycling activity na ito. Ang simpleng patimpalak ay bahagi pa rin ng pagdiriwang ng 19th Tabak Festival sa lungsod. Dito'y nasubok ang kanilang angking galing sa pagkukumpuni, pagdidisenyo at pagbibigay buhay ng iba't ibang uri ng byproducts at waste materials. Tunghayan natin ang ilan sa mga agaw-pansing pagbabago rito. Mga bakal at boteng ibinebenta sa junk shop, nagsilbing makukulay na bakod at tarangkahan. Ang mga lumang gulong, ginamit para sa obstacle course ng mga bata. Ang mga pinaglumaang laruan, muling napakinabangan bilang kiddie ride sa playground. Maging malalaking bato sa paligid ng sanitary landfill, naging instant rock formation na sakto sa ating mga picnic sites. Nagamit bilang tables at benches sa mga dati kinakalawang ng steel bars at zipper links. Itong higanting kawa, naging pandagdag disenyo sa isa sa mga campsites. Mini dining set naman ang mga toilet bowls mula sa Tabaco Public Market. Ang mga birdhouses na ito, gawa sa pira-pirasong kahoy at plywood. Empty IV vials at syringe bilang palamuti sa hardin, pwedeng-pwede rin.
Before we enter Hiraya Manawari Nature Park, here are some reminders. Park operation is from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. Resto bars to stay open 30 minutes before curfew. Always wear your face mask. Maintain physical distance of at least 1 meter. Throw your garbage properly in the designated waste bins. Comfort rooms or toilets are available for use by our guests. Use them properly. Mind your own valuables. The management is not responsible for any loss of items. Respect park rangers and fellow visitors. No picking of flowers and cutting of plants. Spitting is strictly prohibited. Bringing of alcoholic beverages is not allowed. Carbonated drinks are discouraged. The styrofoam food boxes, cups, plates, and other single-use plastics is prohibited. No pets or animals allowed. No smoking, drugs, firearms, knives, and other sharp objects are not allowed. No unauthorized vendors. Playground rules. Use the playground at your own risk. An adult must accompany children under the age of 7. Improper use of equipment is prohibited. No running, pushing, or shoving. Toys are the property of the park. Please leave them after use. Camping and picnic area rules. No vandalism. No bolting, fastening, or nailing of any material to bamboo and trees. Food leftovers shall be packed properly and placed in a designated waste bins. No playing of loud music. No public display of affection or PDA. Parking lot rules. Lock your vehicle. Do not leave valuable items in plain view. Always follow directional traffic signs. No camping, soliciting, or loitering. No overnight parking. Park only in designated spots. And lastly, pay your parking fee.
We have just started to work on Hiraya Manawari Nature Park, and more is in store for you in the coming months. We plan to develop a mini forest of hardwood trees planted by visitors themselves so that they can come regularly and take care of their trees. A chapel made of colored wine bottles will be placed in the middle of the mini forest for weddings, renewal of vows, and special occasions. How about a pet park, a petting zoo, even horseback riding, or perhaps a vegetable farm? Or definitely a bicycle and skate park for cyclists and skaters. Swimming pools and interactive fountains? Why not? But definitely a gift shop with an art gallery of upcycled and repurposed art. So, we ask you to keep the Hiraya Manawari Nature Park clean, green, safe, and healthy. This is our happy place. This is our field of dreams.
Hiraya Manawari. Hiraya Manawari. Mga pangarap natin, ating abutin. Ito'y linya mula sa awiting nagpapaalala na ang katuparan ng ating mga panaginip ay nasa ating mga kamay. Mula sa mumunting ideyang itinanim at umusbong ng dahil sa pagkakapit-bisig, pag-ibig ang nagsilbing pandilig. Unti-unting namulaklak hanggang sa maging ganap. At ang inaasam na katuparan ay narito na nga. Dalayang mga bunga na nagkaisang puso. At wala nang mas tatamis pa sa pagkakatugma nitong dalawang salita. Ligaya at hiraya. Ligaya na hatid ng pag-asang napangyari. Kasagutan ng dalangin. Hiraya Manawari.